Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a single project folder and a master note that will act as the source of truth. Use a template with goals, deliverables, timeline, and owners so everyone sees the same structure. Once done, pin that master note to the top and share it with stakeholders. Make sure to grant edit privileges only to active contributors. This step prevents duplicate notes and keeps updates central, which reduces confusion and saves time when tasks start moving. You now break goals into actionable checklist items inside the master note, indent subtasks under parent tasks so hierarchy is clear. Add dates to important items and use consistent tags such as #phase1 or #block to enable fast searching. Once done, attach design files or use the camera scan for receipts and sketches to keep context with tasks. Make sure to update inline tables with status, owner, and % complete so anyone opening the note can immediately assess progress. You finish by running a weekly review where you clear completed checkboxes, reassign items, and archive finished notes into a completed subfolder for record keeping. Once the project closes, export the master note as a PDF or duplicate it into a handoff folder so deliverables are preserved. If things go wrong, for example sync conflicts or missing edits, force quit notes, toggle iCloud notes off and on, then reopen. Make sure to check the conflicts section and restore the latest version to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.